Hello, I'm Joshua Bay, and I'm one of the public benefits specialists at McGinnis Elder Care Law. Today's video is our first video of our Medicaid Mythbusters series. The most common question we get from a potential client is this: how do we get Medicaid for our elderly relative while making sure that the nursing home does not take our elderly relative's house? Many people believe that the nursing home can take a person's home or access to equity in the person's home, and that is not entirely true, but is also not entirely false. What makes this question true? Many people enter the nursing facility under skilled therapy. If the patient is covered by traditional Medicare, the first 20 days under skilled care are covered by Medicare. The next 21 to 100 days are considered copay days. Medicare pays 80% and your supplemental insurance pays 20%. The 20% is called your copayment, and the amount is $170.50 for 2019. You're not guaranteed all 80 copay days. So the truth in this question is this: if there's a debt owed to the nursing facility and the debt goes unpaid, the facility may seek to recoup funds from the deceased person's estate. Now, what makes this question false? Nursing facilities are not in the business of recovering from estates. They're in the business of providing care. To reduce the possibility of having to recover from an estate, the facility generally asks an important question when a patient is admitted or just before they are discharged from skilled therapy. This question is this: do you plan on being discharged to long-term care, or do you plan on being discharged home? If you plan on being discharged to long-term care, the next question will be this: will you be private pay, meaning that you will be paying the bill with your own money, or do you need assistance with Medicaid? If you're private pay, you will pay the facility the private pay amount. If you decide to use Medicaid, the facility can generally get you approved for Medicaid. Once approved for Medicaid, you'll receive a notice from TennCare explaining estate recovery at the death of the Medicaid recipient. TennCare will seek to recoup expenses paid on behalf of the Medicaid recipient from the estate of the Medicaid recipient if no exemptions apply. Remember, if you're receiving Medicaid in the nursing facility, you are not building a debt with the nursing facility as long as you pay the patient liability. You're building a debt with the state of Tennessee. Myth busted.